Okay.
Okay, we're rolling. And I don't have a nickname for you. What's your nickname going to be?
Ew, I don't know.
Really?
TT.
No. No.
Okay.
That's no good. No. I wasn't asking you.
Well, you gotta make up one real
You're
quick.
the one in here trying to make up all the rules and everything.
You're
not her mother. You're not her girlfriend.
I'm her sister.
Well, that doesn't mean that, you're in charge of her.
I'm taking care of her.
Well,
and now I gotta wear a mask.
Somebody has to, because she can't even sit up.
I know.
Oh, you poor thing. You don't look like you feel any good, so we'll try not to give you too much, grief about this. You look pretty down on your luck.
Yeah.
You look like you just spent your last dollar on a horse race and your horse came in fourth or something. You know what I mean? How long have you been sick?
It started yesterday.
It just hit you like a brick wall?
Yep.
Okay, and aches, pains, fevers, chills?
Yes.
All right, a little bit of cough, maybe some sore throat?
Yes.
Okay. And did you get a flu shot this year?
Yes.
You did get a flu shot, okay. And have you measured your temperature?
Yes.
How high was it?
101.
Yeah. So, I know the results of your flu test.
Yeah, they told me already.
You mean they took away my fun? You're positive for type A and B.
What does that even mean?
Well, it means you're infected with 2 strains of the flu.
Is that why I feel like shit?
Yeah, that would be pretty close to explaining it, yeah. Yeah, you actually have 2 strains of the flu, and it's making you really feel tired. So it really makes you feel like you've been, knocked for a loop. Yeah, that was pretty good. Knocked for a loop, right? Okay, so here's the thing. You're within the first 24 hours of getting sick, so you've got a real good chance that the flu medication is actually going to help you, okay? Number 2, you're going to stay home and you're going to rest. You're probably not going anywhere today, but you may start feeling better tomorrow, and you may want to get out and start doing things, and I don't want you to do that. I want you to stay home and rest for a few days. So if you need a note for work or school or anything, let us know, okay? I know you're probably in finishing school right now, and you probably haven't made it to the appropriate language in the doctor's office section yet, but that's okay. You know you're on your way. Maybe not. I know, she's not sure whether it's funny or not, because she looks like she's
gonna cry.
But she's trying to, but anyway, so I want you to stay home and rest, drink lots of fluids. The key to drinking enough fluids so you know that you're getting enough is if you have to get up and go to the bathroom every hour and a half, you're drinking enough fluids, okay? Now, another thing you can do is you can alternate Tylenol and Advil. So you take 2 Tylenol, 3 hours later, take 2 Advil, 3 hours later, go back to 2 Tylenol, 3 hours later, back to 2 Tylenol, you get the idea. If you alternate those every 3 hours, you're actually getting the same medicine every 6 hours, so it's safely dosed that way. It will take away your aches and pains, it'll take away your fevers and chills, and it will remove your malaise. That is your feeling of just general, I don't feel good. You'll get your energy back, and you feel like sitting up and watching some reruns of, I don't know, what does she like to watch?
What the heck do you watch?
Gilligan's Island?
Ew.
The Munsters?
What the heck? Oh, that is old school.
Are you wait, did
we
you
used
say
to watch
all?
it. Well, we used to watch it.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I don't think it's on TV.
So, House Hunters? Are you into that stuff?
No.
She doesn't even want to talk. You sure it's okay if we video you for our friends?
I don't even care at all.
Bless your heart. All right, so hydration and take the medicine we're going to give her, and when you get to the pharmacy and you get the prescription, go ahead and take the first pill right then, okay? And then take the second one tonight if they give you the Tamiflu, which is most likely what she's going to get. There is another prescription, but a lot of insurance companies don't cover it, and a lot of the pharmacies don't have it yet. It's sort of a new medicine this year. So count on getting the Tamiflu. So get the first one in the pharmacy, and then the second one when we get home tonight. And make sure you stay hydrated. Again, the thing that gets most people sicker, where they end up, and I mean young, otherwise healthy people that end up in the hospital, is they don't stay hydrated. They let themselves get dehydrated, and they just feel so miserable that they end up going to the emergency room, and then they do some blood work, and they get tanked up with 3 liters of fluid, and then they feel a lot better, and they send them home. So we don't want that to happen to you, okay? Well, bless your heart, get well, and I'm really, you're completely forgiven for the use of bad language in here, but not in the hallway. That we can't let that one go. So you will have to put $1 in the swear bucket on the way out.
You wouldn't know what's gonna happen. She's like gonna walk down the hallway. She's gonna be like,
no, don't.
silent.
No, don't. All right. Thanks for being a sport. Get well, okay?
Check out Dr. Gilmore's 7-piece kit. It's compact in size with a leather case, perfect for traveling, and available on Amazon for under $20. See link below. Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go, go, go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.